Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying your iPad meets requirements and that you have a Google account ready. Once done, install a trusted cloud Android or remote desktop client from the App Store and allow required permissions. Make sure you have enough storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents hiccups during streaming. Next, open the Android service and sign in with your Google credentials so you can access the Google Play environment. This gets you straight into the usable Android interface. Once you're inside the Android interface, find and open the Google Play Store app. You may need to accept permissions or privacy prompts. You'll sometimes be asked to update Google Play services. Do that to ensure compatibility. Then search for apps and hit install or upload APKs if the service supports sideloading. Downloads behave like on an Android device. Make sure to monitor downloads and switch to full screen or touch mapping modes for smoother interaction as you install apps. To finish, open each installed app and sign in, configure permissions and notifications, and adjust display controls for touch accuracy. If an app won't run, first clear the Play Store cache or reinstall the app in the Android session. That resolves many errors. For persistent lag or connection issues, check Wi-Fi speed, switch to a lower latency server, or change the client's control settings. If you still can't get it working, restart the virtual Android session and try the install again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.